ito na nga, kumare. Hindi pa ako pumapasok dito sa room. Pero as you can see, medyo settled down na. But I just wanted to let you guys see what our room is like here in Gold Coast. Ayan. Oh. Diba? Actually, kanina pa kami after lunch. Pero ngayon lang kami nakasettle down. Kasi syempre, nag-meeting muna ako. Ayan. Pero ayan, here's our room. Alright, diba? Ang bongga. Ang ganda ng bed. At mukhang parang malambot. Oh, malambot siya. Malambot. So, and here naman, oh, that's me. Kasi baka man nagugulat kayo na, sino ba ito nagsasalita na to? Ayan, kita niyo ba? Ayan pala. Hey, that's me. Alright. And then, here's the bathroom. There. Oh, diba? There, hello. Oh, nice, diba? May pa-bathtub. Ayan. There. Ating mga gamit dyan. Ayun. So, ayun lang. I just wanted to give you a short room tour of our room here at Voco by IHG Gold Coast. Ayan. O, diba? May pa-sunset effect. Diba? Squinting of eyes. Sabi ni Tyra Banks, pag nagpapapicture, nagpapavideo, bawal mag-squint. So, dapat lakihan daw yung mata. Anyway, ayan. Okay, see you later. Hello. So this is my first night here in Gold Coast, and I've ended up, not planning what to do on my first night. So sabi ko, ano pwede kong gawin? So nag-search ako ng TikTok and other platforms, and apparently there's this place called Miami Marqueta. So medyo mga 8 kilometers away. Kung tama yung nakita kong mapa, ha. I don't know. So, ang plano ko, I'll just take an Uber. Yes, Uber lang. Uber ang meron dito sa Australia. Walang Grab. So, kukuha ako ng Uber and I'm gonna go to the place. So, good luck. I have no idea what's going to happen. So, I'll let you know. Hopefully, when I get there, makakapag-food trip tayo. Okay. Bye! Hello! Am I on? Yes, I'm on. Anyway, fail. Kasi yung Miami Marqueta daw, apparently, buti na tinanong ko yung front desk. Closed pala sila. Open lang sila from Wednesdays. Today's Wednesday, right? No. Open lang sila pag Thursdays to Sundays. So, kung may plano kami po doon, baka dapat bukas. So ngayon, sabi sa akin ng front desk, explore ko na lang yung area. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go around this area and see how it goes. Oh God, yeah. Sorry about that. Masyado mo napalapit yung ayan. So we'll see how it goes. So here we are. I'm outside our hotel, which is Voco by IHG. Oh, can you see it? There. Oh, hello there. Yun. Anyway, so lalakad tayo and see where my 2 feet will bring me. Exciting, di ba? Hello. Oh my God. Umabot na ako dito sa Surfer's Paradise ng gabi. KFC, pero kebab. There's my KFC and meron pang chicken sa loob. Can you see it? There's some chicken and fries. Nandito na ako by the beach. Nandito pa rin. And ang sarap kasi ang lamig. Natuwa daw ako sa camera action na yun. So, biglang nakita ko dito yung iFly Indoor Skydiving. I wonder if they're open. But if they're not open today, maybe on another day, maybe tomorrow. Diba? Ayan o. So, I'll try. We'll see how it goes. Baka bukas after my day trip, I can come back here and see what happens. Huwag na sana akong mabalian ng ito, di ba? May Indian restaurant. Tapos, meron ding Vietnamese restaurant. Tapos, sa tabi niya, meron ding Chinese restaurant. Saan kaya ako kakain? Pumasok na lang ako ng isang mall. I don't know what mall is this. Pero parang sarado din yung mga stores. Parang pasarado na sila. Oh no. Medyo hungry na ako. Actually, may nakita akong ice cream store. Actually, gusto kong mag-ice cream. Pero, baka muna ba ako ng gana? No, meron naman ako nakita ice cream store. Yung Ben and Jerry's. Alam ko na. Sabi nung isang friend ko kanina, meron daw masarap na Thai restaurant dito sa mall na to. Which by the way, lalagay ko na lang pag na-edit ko na tong video to kasi hindi ko alam. Sabi ko nga sa kanyo, I'm just really going with the flow and I don't know where this trip and tonight will take me. Massage. Pwede ba ako magpamassage? Or magpatattoo na lang kaya ako? For added sex appeal? Pwede ba yun? Okay. Anyway. I swear, isang sabaw, isang malaking sabaw tong vlog na to. Pasensya na po. At wala naman po akong meaning para or wala akong intention meaning. Ay, sabi ko sa inyo, sabaw talaga ako eh. Well, just for tonight. Or today. Anyway, basta, I'm just going with the flow. Let's see how it goes. Bye! Pero magandang lighting dito, in fairness. Oh. Wala lang. Okay. Tinun ako ni Lolo. Okay, see you later. I'm finally back in the hotel room, in the hotel, and...
Oh my God.
Basta, I'm just so happy to be back. Nakaikot ako sa Surfers Paradise. Nanood ako ng mga shows, yung mga street shows. Walang direksyon. Pero I just really enjoyed being here at Gold Coast. Ang lamig-lamig. Actually, I wanted to stay and watch more videos. I just wanted to watch, I wanted to watch more shows dun sa Surfers Paradise, pero sobrang lumalamig. And hindi ko alam kung kaya ko yung lamig. Pero ang maganda din doon, before I went home, nakabili pa ako ng gelato. So, good luck naman sa sugar, di ba? Pero sabi ko, bakasyon naman eh, di ba? So, yun lang. I just wanted to end this vlog today. Again, it's a chill day. Just go with the flow. And, gandahan lang ang book up, 'di ba? Oh, 'di ba? Why not? Ang kilay oh. Yun lang. Good night. Be kind. O, 'di ba? Sana nagustuhan niya. Hey guys, so if you really like my vlog, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Salamat po. Be kind. Bye.